Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to do a focus pull, and you'll have to have the studio version in this example. So I'm using the magic mask and a background defocus. Let's check it out. So if we look at the shot, it's blurry in the background. If we hit play, the focus pulls, so the background reveals. So let's take a look how we did this. I have 3 nodes. The first one is just a base node to kind of get the color to look all right. Second node, we're using our magic mask. We'll go to the first frame here. I just selected a few points of our subject, the foreground. And as you can see, it did a pretty nice job isolating the subject. And I just tracked that through the shot. And then from our effects library, I grabbed this Defocus Background and dropped it in to our pipeline here. It automatically connects the video up, and then you just have to add the alpha from your magic mask into defocus so it knows that that is the mask. And then I pretty much just keyed the blur effect on this node. There is a blur inside of here that you could use, but I ended up using it just on this effect. Now to get to your keyframes, right next to your waveform, right above here, you got this little diamond on the right. Just click that. You can expand it with this little arrow. And what I did was went to the beginning of the shot here, and under the blur effect, I just drug that up to 1.0 and then moved forward in the shot to where this next keyframe is, and then brought it down to 0. So as you can see, it kind of scales down as we move forward into the shot. All right, so that's how you can do a focus pull with the magic mask and the background defocus. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you got a topic you want me to make a video on, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.